Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time test of the Manscaped Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro, which is this razor right here. I previously received this from the company to review, and so what we'll do in this video is we'll go over the main features of this trimmer, walk through unboxing it, showing you what it looks like and how the functionality works. And then I'll walk through shaving with this for the very first time, or trimming with it for the very first time. I'll probably test it out on some of my arm hair, and I'll also walk through kind of trying to use it on my face, just because I feel like that gives you the best sense on video as far as its functionality. And then as always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the Manscaped Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro body and groin trimmer. You can currently get this on Amazon for about $90. The main highlight of this trimmer is it's going to be wet, dry, waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or outside of the shower. Don't have to worry about damaging it as far as being exposed to water. It's USB-C rechargeable. It has a built-in LED light on the top, so you can use it to illuminate and reach like difficult areas as far as body trimming. It has a blade that allows for 2 to 12 millimeters in length. That is skin safe, so it prevents irritation and cuts and scrapes and that sort of thing. And then the other main feature is it has a built-in travel lock, so it won't turn on its own when it's in your bag or anything like that. But this is the packaging, which is very similar to all the Manscaped products. I previously have reviewed their DE safety razor, which is really nice. Check out that video. I actually use that pretty consistently, and I like the weight and feel of it in your hand. And then I also have their Manscaped facial, I don't remember the name of it, but it's the facial trimmer as well. And I actually have that in my gym bag to use at the gym whenever between shaves, so I can keep my face kind of like freshly, cleanly shaved without wet shaving. But this is the packaging. It's nice. Has Manscaped here. It says Lawnmower 4.0 Pro here. It's got updated skin safe technology. It's going to be a groin, body, and hair trimmer. Not really tailored to the face, but I'll use that as an example for this video for its functionality. And then on the side here, it lists the main features. So skin safe technology, waterproof, USB-C, and QI compatible, LED spotlight, and travel lock. On the back here, it kind of lists each of those one by one. So it's a groin and body hair trimmer. Updated skin safe technology, has a blade that's rounded for comfort with a built-in guard designed to help reduce nicks and cuts, which is nice because on your skin elsewhere than your face, it's much more easily, you can cut yourself much more easily. It has an LED spotlight to navigate the nooks and crannies. It's got a constant RPM motor, which helps prevents the blade from slowing down as the battery drains. It's waterproof for working with wet or dry. It has an up to 60-minute run time, and then it's powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, which will really allow you to use this routinely without having to charge it frequently, which is nice. A travel lock to reduce the accidental powering on, an LED indicator for, I would assume, the power indicator. Sorry, and then a universal USB-C port on the bottom. Also included in this box should be 2 separate combs, the power adapter, a couple brushes, and then there's going to be a storage case. But that's it for the packaging and everything. It has Manscaped on the side there. And then it actually is a peel tab to open this. So what we'll do is open this and take a look at what comes in the box. And then immediately when you peel that off, it actually says your groin is in good hands, because that's the main highlight of that. And actually, this is a really cool product in packaging. Trim with confidence. We save balls. Basically, they collaborate with the Testicular Cancer Society as far as supporting research. That's really nice from them. And then this is actually the trimmer and case, and I will say that this case is pretty impressive. Just based on the first look at it, it's really impressive. A nice design there. We'll go over it in a minute, and then we'll look at what else is in this box here. But you also have a general manual here. Sorry, I was recently sick. That goes through all the features one by one, which I'll read in a second. and so that I can go over this thoroughly, but that's information on the actual trimmer, and then here's the actual trimmer. So give me a second, I'm gonna read the manual and then we'll walk through unboxing the trimmer and discussing the features. Okay, so I've read through the manual, so I'll highlight the main features of this as we go, but this is the actual case for the trimmer. It's very lightweight, it's compact, has a nice like, kind of like silicone-y case that seems like it would be waterproof. It says Manscaped here, has a smooth surface that's kind of like matted on the one side, and then this textured like feathered pattern on the other side. Maybe you can see it or not see it on camera. And then it's zipper closed here, and actually the zipper actually has like a extension along the whole length there, so it kind of seems like it would be waterproof in that instance. And then in here is the actual case. So in here there's a couple things. So you have the wall adapter, you have, and then you have a bag with a couple items in here, which I'm just gonna open and show you, which should be the power adapter cable. This is gonna be, let's see how long it is. I think it's gonna be about like 2 feet or so. Yeah, so it's about 2 feet or so, so plenty of space, not too short, so you can actually put this, plug it in, and not have to worry about like the length of it. A brush to clean the razor, and then in here I believe there should be 2 extra blades, or body hair like trimming blades. Sorry, it's just like a little bit difficult. Yeah, so there's 2 separate blades here. There's gonna be one that's shorter. This is gonna be 2, 4, and 6 millimeters in size. And then this other one is going to be, I believe, 8, 10, and 12 millimeters. So across that, with sliding of the actual razor head, you can vary it from all the way from 2 millimeters up to 12, depending on where you're shaving and what you're doing. But that's it as far as what comes in the packaging here. But you can, it's got a nice compact area there where you can put all of those items, and probably a couple more in there for your like grooming purposes, which is nice, so you can use that on the go. And then here's the actual razor. It actually has a slot that slides in with a like elastic cord here to keep it into place, and then there's a groove pattern here. There's a very similar like matted silicone-y feel where this is like a waterproof kind of case that'll avoid getting damaged or having issues. But overall the case is pretty nice. The razor slides, it's actually like sticks in there a little bit, but slides directly in, and I think this actually comes out. So if you wanted to take this out, you could eliminate that and just put the razor directly in there, but it's probably better to store it this way, I would think, so it doesn't get damaged on the go. But we'll take this out and kind of walk through it. And then the zipper there closes without difficulty. But here's the razor itself. So the main highlights of this, first off, says Manscaped across the top, or across the front here. There's going to be a power switch right here, which will turn it on and off. So you hit it, it'll turn on immediately. There's going to be an LED indicator on the bottom here for the amount of power. And I believe there's 3 separate bars, so it's like 1, 2, 3, that'll indicate how much power is left. And then there's an LED light right underneath here that allows you to illuminate if you want. So the power switch is easily on off. The design is grooved where it's got this like groove pattern across the whole side, so you can easily slide this in where your fingers can rest along the side here, which is a nice feature. Same with your thumb here, so you can have good control here. And then if you want to flip it upside down, you can hold it like this with your fingers on the side. So ergonomically, it's a really good design there as far as fit, feel in your hand. It's got a glossy finish along the top where the head is, okay? But then it's like that similar matted, like textured pattern across the bottom here. Overall, very aesthetically pleasing. And then on the bottom, there is a USB-C port that plugs directly in like that. So it's easy to do, and you can just rest it on the table as far as charging it. So generally the aesthetics, look, feel is really nice. The ergonomics in your hand is nice. And this is kind of the, looking at the razor blade here, this is what it means by like that skin safe technology. So there's actually like a plastic blade rather than a metal blade on the bottom here. And so it's much less likely to nick or cut you because it's not dealing with metal. So if it does pinch, it's less likely to like actually cut you. On the back, there's also the Manscaped label here. And then I believe this razor should come right off. So yeah, so it like other similar razors, this head can be replaced, so you can purchase separate razors if the blade gets dull. And this can slide in and out without difficulty, just clicks easily into place. And then when you're using this and cleaning it, you can actually just take this right off, rinse it off, allow it to dry, and then reinsert it in. And then you can use the brush to clean out this area here so that any hair or debris or whatever you have doesn't get kind of encased in that. But that's the kind of gist there. And then as far as inserting the other blades on, I believe they should just slide directly onto the razor. So yeah, so it slides directly on, and I believe it clicks. So 1 click, 2, and then 3, and that gives you the sense of length there. And so that's the one, and then it pops right off. And very similarly, the other one, it kind of just slides the whole length. So when it's flush here is at the bottom, and then you just can slide it back and forth. It's a little bit difficult there. You do have to kind of mess with it. And there's not really an indicator to show you the length. So you'll just have to know with memory how many clicks you use when you use it. So I think this is the longer one. So this would be like 6, and then 8, and 10, and 12, or whatever it is. But that's it. So I'll slide that off for now. And then the other features here is, other than the power switch, underneath it is one button that has 2 separate features. One's gonna be the travel lock, the other is gonna be the LED light. And so if you turn this on, and then I believe hit the LED light, it'll turn it on. So that's what you saw there. And then if you press it, it'll turn off, okay? And then if you, I believe, press and hold this for, I think, like 5 seconds, yeah, it'll travel lock. And so it'll give an indicator there that when you press it, it's locked. And so that's what you're seeing there. So if you press the power button, it toggles through the power, and basically, or like the indicator light showing you that the travel lock is on. So this can't turn on, which is a really nice feature too. As far as disabling that, what you do, I believe, is just press and hold this, and it should basically indicate it coming down, and then you can turn it on. So that's pretty well designed. No complaints there. Now what I'm gonna do is just test this on my arm hair, just to give you a sense on camera, and then what I'll do is I'll try to use this razor with my face hair just to see how it performs. But we'll turn this on, and as expected, shave very smoothly to the skin without any difficulty on my hand here. And you can really press in there and not have to worry. And it's not scraping or anything, so it works very, very well there. So if you have like leg hair, arm hair, anything like that, it did smoothly shave down straight to the skin without any difficulty there, so it's completely smooth. So it would work very well for a body trimmer. I'd only say that this is a little bit short, so if you wanted a longer or wider thing, like where you're needing more surface area, it is limited from that standpoint. But it is a smaller blade, so you can maneuver it more easily. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the camera, and I'm going to try to use this on my face just to give you a sense of how it performs from that standpoint, even though that's not really its functionality, but I just want to give a good example of how it performs from that standpoint. Okay, so now we're gonna try the Manscaped Lawn Mower on my face just to give a sense of how it performs kind of like on like a facial hair standpoint, even though it's not really designed for that. But I'll do is I'll just kind of shave throughout. Sorry, I pressed the button by accident. So it is leaving like a little bit of scruff there, but it is something that if you do want to keep like your afternoon shadow type of haircut, you could kind of double this up as a facial razor as well as a body trimmer. And so if you're on the go traveling or whatnot, you can just use this alone rather than kind of having to bring a separate razor for each purpose. I might have missed some spots just because I'm doing it on camera, but as far as hair, it did send a bunch of hair all over the place, so it's not something that I probably wouldn't recommend using for your face, just because there's a whole bunch of hair all over my like hand and everything, and all over my countertop, so I'll have to clean it. But as you can tell, it did easily get down to like 2 millimeter length, where it's a little bit scruffy, and that gives you a sense. And so it's not gonna cut all the way down to your facial hair flush with the face. However, like on my hand, like that finer type of hair, it cut very easily all the way down and was very, very smooth. But the functionality is nice. The power on off switch is very convenient. The travel lock is very convenient. The fact that it has an LED light is nice if you wanted to, I guess, shave in the dark or you have issues seeing. And then beyond that, the lithium battery should last a long time, and I really like the design and ergonomics of this with the handle and everything. It's a sleek, nice finish. And then the fact that it provides basically from 2 millimeters all the way to 12 millimeters is nice as well. But that's all I have for this video. So this was the Manscaped Lawn Mower 4.0 Pro. It's currently on Amazon for about $90. I think it's worth the price if you're looking into something like this. A lot of these razors are expensive, but something that can shave your face very easily like that, it tells you really that the trimmer is powerful because the facial hair is a little bit thicker. And it's nice that it's ergonomically designed so you can maneuver it very, very easily. So thanks for watching. If you have questions, comments, post below. But thanks for watching and have a great night.